Alright, hello everyone. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to start the assignment 3.1. So in the instruction you already have the video instruct to write the assignment 3.1, but that were in a older version of the Visual Studio. So for the Visual Studio 2022, this one format, but again, that's gonna be pretty much the same for Windows version as well. So once you open Visual Studio, you're gonna click over here. That's gonna be new, and then you're gonna use the control application. Okay, pretty much the same as the instruction in week 2 assignment Hello World. This step gonna be pretty much the same. So select console application, that's gonna be C# and continue. Just let it default. Now you can see week 3.1 assignment. Okay, I can leave it default. So again, this is very important right here to know the location of the application. Because later on you need to go there and to copy the program .cs file, and you compress with the project report, and then you upload that compressed file to the Dropbox. Okay, so keep in mind you need to know the location. If you don't want the default right here, you can use the browser and select the location of the folder as you want. Okay, and create. All right, that's gonna bring a gap interface, something like that. As in the past before, you can click over here and using this one to convert to more standardized. Okay, so all of the code gonna be stay inside this gap a two curly braces over here. Okay, so everything gonna be inside here. Later on you can have some outside, but at this moment just keep in mind all the code's gonna be inside of these two open and close curly brackets. Okay, all right, so the job for this assignment pretty straightforward, a little bit extension from the previous one. Now you need to display this gap information over here. The first line gonna be A, and the whole line gonna be dash, right? Then B, my name is, and then you need to insert the name and so on, right? So let's start with the first one. I'm gonna put this one away. All right, so the command you're gonna use gonna be control right line, right? Everything you want to display gonna be inside the double quotation right here. So for example, the first line gonna be A dot dash, right? So I gotta do something like this, right? So keep in mind that's gonna be a double quotation over here, and by the end of the command right here, that's gonna be a semicolon over here. Okay, all right. So, and keep in mind that we're gonna need console dot read. You can do read key and read line, whatever, that should be fine, because we just want to stop the console screen, and then you can see the output, right? So once you're done with the first one, let's try to test it. Run. You see right here, that gonna be display exactly what we put in here. Okay, so that's good. You could same for the second one, control right line double quotation, and the next one gonna be my name is. So you can hit my name is, and you're gonna put the name in, right? That's gonna insert the name here. So that's gonna be, let's say, that's my name, right? And remember that's a semicolon gonna be at the end right here, otherwise you get error. Okay, try again. All right, you see that gonna be displayed correctly. Oh, actually you need to, so stop this one, you need to have the B dot, right? So that's what missed in the first one. All right, try to run again. So now it's look correct, right? And the following gonna be the same, right? So skip using control right line and whatever gonna be next one. C I am student, this one program, and so on, right? Right, and whatever the information have been asked in the assignment, just put in there, and remember that's gonna be a within two double quotation over here. Okay, there's one opening and one closing right here. You need to have both of them, otherwise get error. Okay, oh sorry, again I gonna forget C dot something over here. Alright, so everything displayed correctly. So along the way, when you add new command, you can just try to run and test it if that's running correctly or not. If not, so you know exactly the new line you added in, that's gonna create the error, and then you can fix this one before you move to the next line, right? So I think you can work on the rest of the assignment pretty much the same way as I just showed you, and after that you're gonna go into the folder where you have the program.cs file store to find so this file right here you need to upload to Dropbox as well. So you can right click and then you can show in the folder that's in the Mac version, and in the file explorer that's on the Windows version, right? You click over here, you should be able to see the location of the file over here. So you can copy this one to the folder along with the report, and then you compress them all together and upload that file to the Dropbox. Or you can upload this file and the report separately as a two separate file to the Dropbox. That should be fine as well. So I think that's all for this assignment. So that's a little bit extension from previous one, and that should be straightforward. So I hope it helped, and just let me know if you have any question. Thanks so much.